To determine if a 4x7.5-inch junction box is large enough for 312-2 Romex cables, we need to calculate the box volume and compare it to the conductor fill requirements according to the National Electrical Code. The volume of the box is calculated by multiplying its dimensions. In this case, 4 inches times 4 inches times 1.5 inches, which equals 24 cubic inches. Each 12-2 Romex cable contains 3 conductors, 2 current-carrying conductors, often hot and neutral, and 1 equipment grounding conductor. Therefore, 3 12-2 Romex cables will have a total of 9 conductors. The National Electrical Code specifies the maximum number of conductors allowed in a box based on its volume and the size of the conductors. For boxes not exceeding 100 cubic inches, the maximum number of conductors is calculated using the formula maximum number of conductors equals volume of box in cubic inches divided by volume per conductor in cubic inches. For 12 American wire gauge conductors, the volume per conductor specified in the NEC is 2.25 cubic inches. Now we can calculate the maximum number of 12 American wire gauge conductors allowed in the Volkswagen 7.5-inch junction box. Using the formula, we have 24 cubic inches divided by 2.25 cubic inches per conductor, which equals 10.67. This means the junction box can safely accommodate a maximum of 10 conductors of 12 American wire gauge size according to the NEC. Since the 3 12-2 Romex cables contain a total of 9 conductors, and the calculated maximum number of conductors for the box is 10.67, the Volkswagen 7.5-inch junction box is indeed large enough to accommodate the 3 12-2 Romex cables. It is important to always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and local regulations for specific requirements and to ensure safe electrical practices. This calculation provides a guideline, but adherence to all applicable codes is crucial for electrical safety.